Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add contacts in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in this menu, in the contacts menu. Here in the bottom right corner there is a little plus icon. You can just tap on this, and here we can add the new contact based on the username or phone number, or we can scan the QR code that they can show from their account, or we can just select someone from the address book. And yeah, after we have typed in the name, we can just continue by tapping on add. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.